What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another video. You're probably wondering, where the heck is my F30, right? Well, I'm gonna address that right now on this video. Let's go. All right, guys, well, my N20 is at the dealer once again. Yes, it's at the dealer because I ran into some fuel problems. To be quite exact, my fuel injectors are giving out, and I believe my spark plugs need to be changed as well. So I'll be addressing all that soon, but I wanted to give you guys kind of an update, more of a vlog, if you will, of what's been going on in my life. You know, I've been kind of MIA in with the installs and the DIYs, and I have a ton of parts, guys, that still need to be installed. I mean, check this out. I mean, I have all these parts in boxes. You know, you're talking M3 fenders that need to be painted. I got a strut bar, I have a boost pipe. What else? I have just a lot of things coming. Wheels, rims, tires. I mean, guys, there's a lot of things coming to this channel, and I know that I haven't uploaded a DIY install in a while, but I wanted to address all of you kind of in a vlog style of what's happening, where am I going, and to give you an update of where my car is right now. So first of all, I moved, right? I'm in a new city. I obviously have a garage. A lot of my videos have been outside, like in the concrete floor, but now I got a working garage. I mean, here's my F30 bumper. I don't know if you guys see it, but here's my F30 bumper that I did swap out. And if you want to see that video, click up here and you can see that. I did install some, you know, proper lighting to make sure that these videos look lit, literally. And you know, if you want to grab a set of these, I'll put a link in the description. You can grab them. They're cheap, they're easy to install, and they just look phenomenal, guys. So I'm gonna get some like M banners and Kies banners. Hopefully they can send me a big old flag or a banner I can put on these walls and represent Kies Motorsports for being so faithful and good to me. So yeah, guys, a lot of things happening to this channel, and so be ready, make sure you subscribe because there's a lot of things happening. But I did want to give you an update. So for a lot of you know that I tuned my car. If you want to see that video, click up here. And that video shows how I flash tune the car using boot mode, right? And if you're familiar with boot mode, it is a flash tune that you can easily tune from like your phone or your computer. You plug into the OBD port and you can tune your car in like less than 20 minutes, right? Giving it extra boost, more horsepower, more torque, all that fun stuff, some burbles and pops and I mean, all that fun stuff, right? You can watch the video up here and you'll see what I'm talking about. But I live in California, and a lot of the tuners that I see on YouTube and all that are running on a more quality, higher octane, right? California's fuel quality just sucks. I gotta tell you, it really sucks. It's not the greatest. You're talking 91, you know, and 91 is great. I mean, I should say it's okay, but it's not the best. Everyone's running off of 93 or even an E85 mix, and they get just great performance in the car. Unfortunately, me, where I'm at my location, it's not the best quality of gas, and my car is suffering for that. So why is that important? Why is octane important? Why am I even talking about octane right now regarding my N20? Well, my N20 right now is sitting at the dealership because of poor quality of gas that I'm getting around my area. You know, talking to BMW and the engineers and, you know, the tuners from Pro Tuning Freaks, they all say the same thing. California's fuel quality just blows. And for that reason, my fuel injectors got clogged. They are suffering. And yesterday I was driving home, you know, from work, and man, there were some crazy idling issues. I was doing one of these things like a V8, and it didn't do well. It didn't do well at all. I lost performance. It was slipping on gears, and I threw in a fuel injector cleaner, which is one of these, right? I threw in one of these injector cleaners, and I felt the difference. I did feel a difference. I felt more of a throttle response. I felt it running better. But then after a while, it just started slugging and dying. And Pro Tuning Freaks suggested that I throw in one of these octane boosters, right? I did that from Lucas Octane Booster, and I believe it was because of that my fuel injector suffered a lot more, because maybe they needed to be swapped out for new ones, right? So I threw those two things in, obviously not together, but sporadically after I empty out the tank and I threw in another, you know, fill up. So yeah, my car just pretty much threw a drivetrain malfunction. I called BMW and my warranty is still under coverage. So I threw it at the dealer, they gave me a loaner, and it's there right now as we speak. I have an empty garage and it's sitting there, guys. So all that to say though, is that if you live in California and you're operating off a 91 octane, just keep an eye out where you're filling up. I keep clicking the camera to make sure I'm in focus, so sorry if my hand goes over here a lot. Make sure you keep an eye out on what type of gas you're putting in your car and from where, right? Do your research, do your homework on the gas stations, the ratings, the review. I mean, I've heard from BMW techs that if the gas sits there for too long, it's just not the greatest quality and it could sometimes bring out corrosion. And if you put that into your fuel injecting system from BMW, it's just not gonna operate well. It's gonna get clogged up, right? So a few things that BMW says is, again, fuel injectors is great, the octane boosters, but I would not recommend using an octane booster. Pro Tuning Freaks recommend it, but I would only recommend it if you're tracking your car, then throw in an octane boost. Or even then, just don't use an octane boost. Use a higher octane, like a 100, or just E85 and run off a different map off Pro Tuning Freaks. So if this is your daily, like mine, and if you only have a 91 gas station near you, there's two things that I would recommend. Is one, purchase a detergent from like Walmart, Target, or even like an AutoZone off the shelf, and throw in a detergent cleaner maybe like once in a while, once a month, along with the fill up of gas. Or two, you could throw in a gallon of E85 along with your 91 fill up. Right? So fill up with 91 and throw in 1 gallon of E85, and that will improve the mixture of 91. That's what Pro Tuning Freaks suggest, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do once my car is back from the dealer. You know, the techs are really cool at BMW where I go to, and they just recommended that I may throw in like a 93 octane. So mixing octanes is okay, and I'm guessing if I throw in E85, because it's ethanol based, it may improve the overall quality of 91. I hope that made sense. If you have any questions, throw a comment below and I could just clarify all that for you. But that's pretty much what's going on with my car, guys. And right now I am just on pending mode and seeing what's gonna happen. My fuel injectors should be covered under my warranty. So once my car comes back from the dealer, I'm gonna update all of you and give you a status update of what's going on. Right now, I know this video is not really much informative or giving you value. It's more of a vlog of what's going on. But I just wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers out there. Thank you so much for just showing love to this channel. I got to be faithful and upload a video every single week. And I know that this week specifically wasn't much value, just giving you an update of what's going on with my car and just the fuel injectors experience that I'm going through right now. So guys, thank you so much. Hit that bell notification and I will see you next week. Stay tuned, family.